Jeff, the Coalition this week released a consultation paper on the access to repair information issue. What's your reaction to that?
This is about access to repair information across the whole industry, and this has been an argument that's 10 years in the making. We had a voluntary code in 2014 where the key industry players agreed to share information. That code has failed miserably, and the VACC and the Motor Trades Association of Australia and other peak bodies have been imploring the federal government to have a mandated code. As a matter of fact, the MTAA, the Motor Trades Association of Australia, with the VACC and the other members, wrote a code and gave that code to the government. We now have a discussion paper released, a consultation paper, and my view is that the consultation paper falls very short of our expectation. We don't want a consultation paper. We want a mandated code so that consumers can make a choice about whether to get the car repaired. Our clear message to government is we've been talking for 10 years on this. We want a code, we want it mandated.